How to add and manage the funeral and 1 week event information on Ghana Memorial. So with this phase, we have the 1 week event and then the funeral event. So first, let me walk you through the 1 week event format. So with the 1 week event, this area allows you to share details of the 1 week commemoration with family and friends. So here you enter the date, time, and venue for the 1 week event. You make sure you provide clear information which would help visitors plan ahead and participate, whether they are attending in person or they follow the updates from afar. So here, let me just add a date. So December. Then you add a time. And then when the 1 week event is going to end. So then you add a date. An event location. So for instance, let's say Lashibi Funeral Home. Then you choose an attire information, whether people should wear black or white. Then here you choose the embed code of the location. So let's go on Google, search for Lashibi Funeral. Let's check the maps. Yes, so once you get the location like this, you go to embed a map and then copy this link. So once you copy this link, you head back to the back end and then paste it. And then here you add a special notes. So here you can indicate whether there will be no photography during the 1 week funeral. So let me add something like that. Yes. So after, there is also an option for the order of service or program lineup. So if there is a program lineup available, you can add them here. So for instance, the opening prayer. So once you add the title, then you add a description. Let's say the prayers will be offered by Elder Miriku. So after adding all this, then you move on to add section. That's if you have more program lineups to add. So you click on add section to provide you with another space and description. Then you add. So let's say yes, so this is a sample. So the number of program lineups you have, you can add them here. So once everything is done for the 1 week event, you click on the save event button. So just as we have done for the 1 week event, you have to do same for the funeral event. So with the funeral event, you also add the date at which the funeral is going to take place. And then you add the time and then when it is going to end. And then you add the location. Let's say it's going to take place at the Usu Cemetery. Then you add an attire information, so black and white, and then the funeral location map. So let's head back and then search for the Usu Cemetery. So you head to maps and then you copy the embed code of the exact location. So after you copy the embed code, paste it right here. Then you add a special note. So with the special notes, it is optional. So as I indicated, maybe you don't want people to take pictures during the funeral. You indicate it here. You state it right here. You don't want people to bring in alcohol, since maybe the family will be providing drinks and stuff. You input everything here. Then just as we did for the 1 week event, here is the program lineup or order of service. Yes, so once you are done with everything, you click on save funeral. Yes, also we didn't save the 1 week event, but then if you want to also add a 1 week event, so you click on the save event button. Yes, so that's how to add and manage the 1 week and then the funeral event information on Ghana Memorial. Thank you for watching.